Você viu o preço da gasolina?
Ah, perfeito! Very good. Hello, Katarina.
Hello.
Hi, everyone. So here we are again. You asked for it, or even if you didn't, but we're back. And I brought Katarina today because it's my turn to give her a bit of a challenge. It's not really like what she did to me. It's mostly I want to teach you and teach her the pronunciation and 3 sentences that are very common in Brazil and they are used every day. So you can have them in your pocket and use whatever you need. So are you ready to learn those 3 sentences?
I'm more than ready. Let's go.
Okay. The first one is, of course, when you're gonna greet someone. We say here, you can say in many different ways, but I'm gonna give you 3 ways. Which is tudo bem, tudo bom, ou e aí, como você tá?
Tudo bem? Tudo bom?
Wow, this is just perfect. You're Brazilian.
E aí, como você tá?
E aí, como você tá? Very good. So they're like, how are you? Tudo bem? Tudo bom? E aí, como você tá? So, how are you doing? How have you been? Okay. Let's move on to the next sentence, number 2. Okay, I guess this is common in Portugal too, but of course not the way we say. But the way we say is me manda uma mensagem.
Me manda uma mensagem.
And probably we would add no WhatsApp.
No
WhatsApp.
WhatsApp.
Aham! Me manda uma mensagem no WhatsApp.
Me manda uma mensagem no WhatsApp.
And that means send me a message on WhatsApp. Good? So Brazilians don't survive if you don't talk on WhatsApp daily. Basically. And the next one, it's a sad joke. It's like, você viu o preço da gasolina?
We have that problem here in Portugal too.
It's a sad joke. Okay, so how would you say?
Você viu o preço da gasolina? I don't know if that was good. Was it?
Você viu o preço da gasolina?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes.
I'm waiting for you to say. Okay, let's see.
It's, você viu o preço da gasolina?
I just heard you say, I didn't look at you, and it sounded good, but it sounded I was talking to somebody a bit younger than you. Can you say again? I'm just gonna listen one more time.
Você viu o preço da gasolina?
Gasolina.
Gasolina.
Você viu o preço da gasolina?
Você viu o preço da gasolina?
Ah, perfeito! Very good. So it would be, did you see the gas price, which is absurd right now? That's why it's a sad joke.
In Portugal, the price of the gas oil is just
Oh gosh, it's sad.
ridiculous. Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna give you a bonus one then. So guys, that's it for today. I just wanted to tell Katarina 3 common sentences used in Brazil. I don't even know if you knew, Katarina. Did you know those sentences?
Yeah.
Do you use them when you talk to
Yeah,
Brazilians?
we use them here in Portugal, just different pronunciation. Yeah.
Okay. And okay, how would you say in Portugal? So how would you say tudo bem, tudo bom, e aí como você tá?
Okay, I would say there's a lot of ways to say tudo bem here in Portugal, just like in Brazil. We can say tudo bem, like that. We can say como estás, or we can say estás bem. We can use that too. This is a little bit more informal and like super, like you just use when you're with friends, which is como é que é. Como é que é?
Como é que é?
Como é que é?
Cool.
Yeah.
Okay, that's very cool. It's very similar to Brazilian Portuguese. And the next one, me manda uma mensagem no WhatsApp.
Same thing. It's we just say we just put the pronoun, yeah, after the verb. So we say manda-me uma mensagem no WhatsApp.
Manda-me uma mensagem no WhatsApp.
No WhatsApp.
Boa. Good. And the last sentence. Você viu o preço da gasolina?
Last sentence is tu viste o preço da gasolina.
Perfect.
If you're talking in a formal way, or to someone who's older than you, or someone who you don't really know well, you say we use você. So we say.
For you, it's not informal to say você.
Yeah,
It's
the informal
formal.
way is tu. The formal way is você. So we say tu viste o preço da gasolina, or in a formal way, você viu o preço da gasolina.
Amazing. All right. So, Catarina, thank you. And once again, guys, don't forget to subscribe here in the channel so we keeping good content for you. And write down if you knew those common sentences already and how to pronounce. And you can also write down an idea for videos that you guys would like to see here.
Yeah, or you can also comment down below more sentences that are popular in Brazil or Portugal. That would be good too.
Exactly. Yeah. Okay. Bye, Catarina. Thank you again.
Thank you.
Bye.